Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th, which was held on November 13, 2022. Here, we are going to discuss part first, that is of mathematics. Let's begin with the first question of this paper. The first question of this paper is simplify 9 plus 12 divided by 3 minus 2 equal to. Now here, first we have to divide 12 by 3. As we are following the BODMAS rule, so here 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 9 plus 4 minus 2 will give us 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 2, that is equal to 11. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 11. Now let's begin with the second question of this paper. Now the second question is multiply the fourth multiple of 4 by 10. It means we have to multiply 4 by 4, that is 16. Now, the fourth multiple of 4 is 16. Now, we have to multiply this 16 by 10. So, the next step is 16 multiplied by 10 is equal to 160. So, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 160. Now, the next question. Question number 3. Identify the figure given below. We have to identify which kind of figure it is. Now here we have a triangle ABC in which we can see that AC is equal to BC, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So we know that any triangle with two sides equal is known as isosceles triangle. So here triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with two sides equal. So here option C is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the fourth question. Identify the perimeter of the square whose length of one side is 7 centimeter. Now in this question, first of all, we draw a square with side 7 centimeter. This is A, B, C, D. Now ABCD is a square with side 7 centimeter. We know that a square is a quadrilateral. It has all sides equal. It means that AB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is also 7 centimeter, CD is also 7 centimeter and DA is also 7 centimeter. So the perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. This is the formula of perimeter of a square. Now we will put the value of side, that is 7 centimeter. So 4 multiplied by 7 gives us 28 centimeter. So according to the question, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now question number 5 says that if T is equal to 8, O is equal to 9 and R is equal to 5, then identify the value of sum of alphabets of truth from the following options. We have to put the value of these alphabet in the word. Now, after putting the value, we get, in place of T, we put 8 plus the value of R is 5 plus value of O is 9 plus 9 plus 8. Now we have to do the addition of these numbers. Now 8 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9 plus 8 is 39. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 6. Now in question number 6, it is find the total number of factors of 36. Now we have to find the total number of factors of number 36. Now factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Let's count the total number of factors. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total number of factors of 36 are 9. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is, length of which one of the following can be measured? The options are line, point, line segment and ray. So out of these 4 options, we can say that line segment is the correct answer, that is option C. Line segment has 2 endpoints, so we can easily measure the length of line segment. Now the next question is question number 8. Now question number 8 says that one of the equal angles of an isosceles triangle is of 50 degree. Find the measurement of third angle of the triangle. Now we know that in isosceles triangle, 2 angles and 2 sides are equal. So here one equal angle is equal to 50. So another angle is also 50 and the third angle we have to find out. So let it be x. Now applying the angle sum property, we can say that the sum of these 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. So here after adding 50 plus 50 we get 100 degree plus x, that is equal to 180 degree. So the value of x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, that is equal to 80 degree. So the value of the third angle is option B, that is 80 degree. Now the question number 9 is, add the first 3 common multiples of 4 and 6. Find what least number should be added to it so that it becomes the multiple of 11. Now here we have to find out the first 3 common multiples of 4 and 6 first. So they are 12, 24 and 36. So these are first 3 common multiples of 4 and 6. Now we have to add them. 12 plus 24 plus 36 is 72. Now in the second step, what we have to do, what least number should be added. Now we have to find out the least number that should be added to 72 so that we can get the multiple of 11. So applying the divisibility rule of 11, let's check one by one which option best suits to 72 so that the new number will become the multiple of 11. So here in the first option it is 1. Let's add 72 plus 1 is equal to 73. So 73 is not following the divisibility rule of 11. So option A is not correct. Now option B is 7. Let's add 72 plus 7, which is equal to 79. So 79 is also not following the divisibility rule of 11. So it is not correct. Now let's check the C option. 72 plus 5, that is equal to 77. So here 77 is the multiple of 11. Therefore, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now let's check option D also. 72 plus 10, that is equal to 82. This is also not following the divisibility rule of 11. So 82 is not the correct answer for the question. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is, identify the value of Roman symbol L from the following options. We have to find out the value of Roman symbol L. So let's convert these options into the Roman number. 10 is written as X in the Roman symbol. 20 is equal to X. 40 can be written as XL, and option D is 50, that is L. So here Option D is the correct answer as the value of Roman symbol L is 50. So D is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 11. The common factors of 28 and 36 are. We have to find out the common factors. So to find out the common factors, let's find out factors of 28 and 36. So here factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Next we have factors of 36 that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now let's find out the common factors. So here 1, 2 and 4. So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. So 1 is the factor of all the numbers. So in this options A, B, C and D, here it is not written 1. So after 1 we can see that here 2 and 4 are the two common factors of 28 and 36. So here option B is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question, that is question number 12. Now question number 12 is length and breadth of a box is 8 cm and 12 cm. If its volume is 672 cm, then find its height. So here we are given with the length and breadth of a box. So here length is equal to 8 cm, breadth is equal to 12 cm. And we have to find out the height of the box. We know that box is of a cuboidal shape. So volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So here in the question we are given with the volume, that is 672. So volume of the cuboid is 672 equal to the value of L means length is 8 multiplied by value of breadth is 12 and height is not given to us. So volume of cuboidal box is 672. Now we are going to transpose 8 multiplied by 12 to the another side. So 672 divided by 8 multiplied by 12, that is equal to height. After cancellation, here we get 56, then 7. So here the height of cuboidal box is 7 cm. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 7 cm. Now let's begin with the next question. Product of 25 and 5 is equal to the product of. We have to find out the product of 25 and 5. So here we got the answer as 125. This is the product of 25 and 5. Now we have to find out the correct answer, that is 125. So here option A is 5 times 125. This is not the correct answer as it gives us 625 is the correct answer. Now B option is, let's cancel it out. It will give us 25 times 5. So it is similar to the question, that is 25 times 5. So here we get 25 times 5, that is equal to 125. This is same as the question, so option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 14. Which one of the following is an obtuse angle? We have to find out which of the following is having an obtuse angle. We know that an obtuse angle is having angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So here let's find out which figure is having an obtuse angle. So here angle ABC is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So we can say that option A is the correct answer as it is representing an obtuse angle. Let's check rest of the figures also. Option B is having angle 90 degree. Option C is less than 90 degree, and in option we can see that angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So option A is the correct answer as it is representing an obtuse angle. Let's begin with the next question of this paper. Find the area of the following figure. So here the figure ABCD is a rectangle. So here we have to find out the area of this rectangle. So here length of the rectangle is 4 centimeter and breadth of the rectangle is equal to 2 centimeter. So here we have to find out the area of rectangle ABCD. So area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So let's multiply 4 by 2, that is equal to 8 centimeter square. So out of these 4 options, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question, that is question number 16. Now in question number 16, we have to find angle DCB in the following figure. So here angle DCB is here. Now it is formed by two angles, that is 50 and 40. Let's add them. 50 degree plus 40 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So here angle DCB is equal to 90 degree. So here option C is the correct answer. Next question is 17th. Find the area of the following figure. So here we have a figure ABCD, that is a square whose all sides are equal. We have to find out the area of the square. So the formula of area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side. So here side is 6 centimeter, again side is 6 centimeter. So here 6 times 6 is 36 centimeter square. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is, which one of the following is the largest common factor of 24, 56 and 72? We have to find out the largest common factors. Now let's write down the factor of 24, 56 and 72 first. Next factor of 56 are next we have factors of 72. So these are the factors of 24, 56 and 72. Let's find out the common factor of these three numbers. So here 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor, 4 is the common factor, here 8 is the common factor. Now we have no common factor. So here common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So we have 4 common factors. Here we have to find out the largest common factor. So the largest common factor is 8 here. So out of 4 options we have option D, that is 8 is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question. Question number 19. Identify the obtuse angle in the following figure. We have to identify the obtuse angle. So let's write down the angles. Angle ABC. Here one angle is ABC and another angle is angle MBC. So angle MBC is 90 degree, which is already given in the question. So this is 90 degree. So obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So here angle ABC is an obtuse angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So the correct answer is angle ABC, that is option C. Now the next question is question number 20. Question number 20 is simplify 5 upon 4 multiplied by 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. We have to apply BOD mass rule here. First we have to solve the bracket and after that we have to multiply it with 5 by 4. Let's begin with the solution. 5 upon 4 multiplied by 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. First we have to solve the bracket. Here 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 14 are unlike fractions. So first of all we have to convert it into like fraction by taking the LCM of 7 and 14. So here the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. Now it's 6 plus 1. Next is 5 upon 4 multiplied by 7 upon 14. Now by cancelling 7 and 14 we get 1 and 2. Here 5 upon 4 multiplied by 1 by 2. So the correct answer is 5 upon 8. So according to the option we can say that option C is the correct answer, that is 5 upon 8. Let's solve the next question. That is question number 21. Here in this question we have to find out how many chords and radii have been shown in the given figure, that is circle. So here in this circle we have to find out the number of chords and radius. So let's understand what are chords. So chords are the line segment whose end points lie on the circumference of the circle. So let's write down how many chords we have in this circle. First chord is LM. Next one is NO, PQ, LS. So there are 5 chords we have in this circle. Now let's find out how many radii do we have in this figure. So here N, R and RO. So total number of radii is 2. So here chords are 5 and radii are 2. So the correct option is option C, that is 5 and 2. Let's begin with the next question. Question number 22. We have to find out which of the following figures has equal area. So we have to find out the figure which are having equal area. So let's find out the area of figure 1 first. So here the area of first figure is 2, 3. This is 9 unit and this is 2 unit. So here the area of this figure is 9 times 2, that is equal to 18 square unit. Now area of second figure is 3, 4, this is 4 unit. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 unit. So let's multiply 4 times 5, that is equal to 20 unit. 20. Now the area of third figure. Area of fourth figure is, this is 5 and this is also 5 unit. So we get 5 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 25 square unit. So here we can see that figure 1 and figure 3 is having same area, or we can say that equal area. So let's find out the options. We can say that option D is the correct answer. Figure 1 and figure 3. These two figures are having equal area, that is 18 square unit. Let's begin with the next question. Question number 23. Now here we have to find out how many right angles are there in the following figure. So here we have to find out the total number of right angles. So let's count the right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here a total number of 8 right angles are formed in the figure. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is, which one of the following numbers should be added to 21st multiple of 3 so that it becomes the multiple of 4? Now we have to find out a number which should be added to 21st multiple of 3. First we have to find out what is the 21st multiple of 3. So 21 times 3 is equal to 63. We have to add a number in 63 so that it will become the multiple of 4. Now let's add one by one. 63 plus 4, that is equal to 67. So here 67 is not following the divisibility rule of 4. So it is not the multiple of 4. Option A is not correct. Now let's come to option B, that is 63 plus 5 means 68. 68 is following the divisibility rule of 4. So we can say that option B is the correct answer. Let's check option C and D also. Now let's add 8 and 63, we get 71. So 71 is not the multiple of 4, so option C is not correct. Now let's check option D. 63 plus 2, that is equal to 65. So 65 is also not the multiple of 4. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 25. Which one of the following letters has two parallel lines? We have to find out which letter is representing parallel lines out of these options. So here we know that parallel lines are those lines which are equidistant from each other and they never meet. So if we take a line L and M, so these are two parallel lines which are equidistant from each other and they never meet, no matter how much they can be extended from either side. So let's check option A, that is letter Y, whether it is representing two parallel lines or not. So here option A is not correct, as letter Y is not representing two parallel lines. Here in option B, the letter is X. So here letter X is also not representing the parallel lines. Nor option C. So here the correct option is option D, that is none of these. Now let's solve the next question, that is question number 26. Who am I? Now we have to find out a number. Let's check the hints. I am a two-digit even number. Now the number which we have to find, that is a two-digit even number. Next condition is I am a common multiple of 7 and 6. Now we have to find out a common multiple of 7 and 6, which is two-digit and even number also. So let's check the next hint. I have a total of 8 factors. Now it is having a total of 8 factors also. So to find out a number, we are having 3 hints. Let's check the options. Which option is satisfying this 3 hint? So here 53 is an odd number, so we can directly cancel out option number A. Now option number B is 36. 36 is an two-digit even number. It is satisfying the first condition. Now the second condition is I am a common multiple of 7 and 6. So 36 is not the common multiple of 7 and 6. So option B is also incorrect. Now let's check option C, that is 48. 48 is a two-digit even number, but it is not satisfying the second hint, that is common multiple of 7 and 6. So here option C is also incorrect. Now let's check option D, that is 42. 42 is a two-digit even number, and let's check, it is a common multiple of 7 and 6. Yes, it is a common multiple of 7 and 6. And the third is I have a total of 8 factors. Let's check, is it having total number of 8 factors or not? So factors of 42 are 1, 2, now these are the total factors of 42. So here it is total number of 8 factors. So here option D is the correct answer. Now let's solve question number 27. How many unit cubes are there in the figure given below? So this is the figure. We have to find out total number of unit cubes. Let's count the total number of cubes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 at the back also. So total is 24. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 at the back. 16. Next is 1, 2. This 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And here it is 2. Let's calculate 24 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2. So here we get 40 plus 8 plus 2, that is equal to 50. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 28. Question number 28 says that what is the measure of the angle formed by hour hand and minute hand when the clock shows the time 3 o'clock? We know that clock is in the circular shape. Let's draw a clock and it has 12 partitions. Now the hour hand is at 3 and minute hand is at 12. We have to find out the angle. We have to find out measure of an angle formed by hour hand and minute hand when the clock is showing the time 3 o'clock. So here let's find out the angle formed by this time. We know that a complete rotation is of 360 degree. So 360 degree will be divided by 12. We also know that a clock is having 12 parts. So here, after dividing 360 by 12, we get 30 degree. It means that the angular distance between two numbers in a clock is 30 degree. So here, angular distance between 12 and 1 is 30 degree. Angular distance between 1 and 2 is 30 degree. Angular distance between 2 and 3 is also 30 degree. So, after adding 30 plus 30 plus 30, we get 90 degree. It means that we are having 90 degree when the clock is showing 3 o'clock. So, here 90 degree is the correct answer, that is option D. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 29. Find the volume of the given solid. We have to find out the volume of this solid. Let's do the partition in the solid so that it is easy to find out the volume. This is 3 centimeter, means this is also 3 centimeter. This is our first cuboidal shape. So, let's find out the volume of this cuboidal figure 1. Volume of cuboidal shape is length into breadth into height. So, volume of figure 1 is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So, here we get 12. Now, let's do the partition. This is figure 2. So, it is 2. This is also 2, well 2. So, this is a cube. So, figure 2 is representing cube. So, volume of cube is side into side into side. It means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. Now, the figure 3rd. This is again a cuboidal shape, 3. This is 2 and this is 2. So, we are going to apply length into breadth into height. Here we have 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 12. So, to find out the volume of this given solid, we have to add all these 3 partitions, that is 12 plus 8 plus 12, which gives us 24 plus 8, that is equal to 32 centimeter cube. Means option D is the correct answer, which is representing 32 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the given solid. Now, the next question is question number 30, which is the last question of this part 1. 13 crore 13 lakh 13,313 is. We have to convert this number name into the numeral form. Let's convert it. It's 13 crore 13 lakh 13,313. So, it is a 9-digit number. Let's check which option is the correct one. So, option number A. Option number A is a 10-digit number. So, option A is not the correct answer. Now, option B is, it is a 9-digit number. Let's put the comma. After putting the comma, we can see that it is same as 13 crore 13 lakh 13,313. So, we can say that option B is the correct answer. So, I hope you all understood part 1st of this paper. Thank you.
Hello students, today I will discuss the MO paper solution of class 5th part 2nd science. Our first question is, fill in the blank. We have to find out the heat option A as well as the heat, which one option is the correct for the given diagram. as we all know that solid convert into the liquid. In this case, heat is gained, and in the conversion of liquid to solid, heat is reduced. So our most correct option will be option C. Next question. The amount of matter in an object is called. It is known as mass. So the correct option will be option A. Next question. The smallest part of a matter is called. Anything which occupies the space and having mass is known as matter. So the correct option for this is particle. Option B. Next question. The particle in a matter are held together by the which forces are there which held them together. So the correct option will be pull forces and attractive forces. Option D is the most appropriate. Next question. An adaptation of animals that help them to survive in winters by going into a deep sleep. This process is known as hibernation. So option A will be correct. Next, the movement of animals from one place to another place as the season changes. It is process which is known as migration, and Siberian birds which came to the Bharatpur in winter season is the best example of migration. Next question. Seeds which are dispersed by wind are cotton seeds. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Moist skin lives in both land and in air, breathe through gills when young. It is the characteristics of amphibians. Amphibians are the animals or plants which can survive in both, in water as well as on the land. So the correct answer will be option C. Next question. Intake of dash will prevent us from the scurvy. Scurvy is the disease which causes due to the deficiency of vitamin C, and citrus fruits are the responsible for recovering from this disease. So correct answer will be option B. Next question. When you get sick and your body tissue become weak, what should you take to build and repair the damaged tissue? Protein is the best source for it for the repairing purpose of the tissues. Next question. On a hot day, a construction worker sweats a lot. He should drink enough water or he or may suffer from the dehydration. Dehydration is the loss of water from our body. Next question. The symptoms of a disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamin are given. Bleeding of gums, wound due to not heal, swelling of joints. These are the symptoms which cause due to the deficiency of vitamin C. So, most appropriate our answer will be vitamin C. Next question. All living things obtain energy. As we all know that living things obtain from energy from the food. So correct answer will be option C. Next question. Dash. Energy in the form of is the form of energy that enables us to see things. It is the energy is called light energy. Correct option will be A. Next question. Dash is an example of the use of heat energy. Ironing clothes is the best example of the heat energy. Next question. Energy that is obtained from the sun, that is known as solar energy. Next question. Which of the following is our example of omnivorous? As we all know that omnivorous animal are those animals which eat both plants and animals. So correct answer will be option B, pig. Next question. Earth polar regions are extremely cold and covered with snow. Which of the following features does the polar bear have to withstand the cold in these regions? It is the correct for thick fur. Next question. A baby eggs breathe through gills. An adult eggs breathe through the lungs. These are the characteristics of a amphibians, and the best example of amphibian is frog. Option C is the correct. Next question. Arachnids have how many legs are present in arachnids? The number is 8. Correct option will be option C. Thank you.
Hello my dear students, my name is Akash Chaudhary. I am your reasoning mentor. Today we are discussing Matrix Olympiad papers, class 5th logical reasoning. Let's start from question number first. As you see the question number 1 says, Find the missing number. Our number series is 3, 5, 7, 9. Question mark. What is the next step? As you see, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. What will we add for next number? You say 2, 9 plus 2, that is 11. Our answer is option A. Next question is, find the missing term. Our series is L, P, T. What is next number? If we note the numbers of these letters, L contains 12, 16, 20. 20 to 60 plus 4, 60 to 40, 20 plus 4. What will we add? Plus 4. If we add 4 in 20, our number is 24. 24 denotes X. Our answer is option B. X is correct answer. Next question is, Irfan is 14th from the right hand in a row of 40 boys. What is his position from the left hand? As you know, the formula is left plus right minus 1 equal total. Number of total person is given 40. 14th from right minus 1 left plus. If we find the value of left, 14 minus 1 left plus 13 equal 14. If we find the value of left, then you say 40 minus 30 is equal to 27. Our option D is correct answer. Next question is, Tanis ranks 7th from the top and 16th from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? If we find the number of total students, then we say right plus left minus 1 oblique top plus bottom minus 1. As you see the question, 7 from top and 26 from bottom minus 1. 26 plus 7 is 33 minus 1 is 32. Our answer is B is correct answer. Next question is, Rajni goes to market, visit towards east from her house. East direction. Market, and this is house. If she has to return home, if this is east, then he returns, that is west facing. In which direction will she come? Then our answer is west direction. Option B is correct answer. Next question is, Amit covers 2 kilometers towards east from his house. Amit covers 2 kilometers towards east from his house. Then he turns right and cover 1 kilometer. Then he again turns right and walk 2 kilometers. Now, far is he from starting point? This is the distance between starting and ending point. If this is 2 kilometers, then it's also 2 kilometers. If this is 1, this is also 1 kilometer. Our answer is option C is correct answer. Next question is, find the correct group of sign to solve these equations. 9, 3, 2, 4 equal 10. If we take option first, then divide, then multiply, then plus. 9 is divided by 3, that is 3 into 2 plus 4 is equal to 10. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Option A is correct answer. Next question is, if plus means that our equation is 40 into 10 minus 5 plus 4 equal what? If plus means minus, into means divide, that means 40, into means divide 10, minus means multiply, and plus means minus 4 equal. 40 is divided by 10 4 times, into 5 minus 4. 5 into 4, 20. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Our answer is 16. Option B is correct answer. Next question is find the mirror image of, that is S, A, E, D and I. S, A, E, D, I. Option A is correct answer. Next question is find the water mirror image. This is the figure, plus square into. If this picture is shown in water, then into, plus and square. Option B is correct answer. Thank you very much.